5% solution of which of the following compound is isotonic to plasma? ग्लूकोज, मतलब कौन से कंपाउंड का 5% जो है वो प्लाज्मा के लिए आइसोटोनिक है? ग्लूकोज. अ पॉलीसेक्राइड विच एक्ट्स एज एन प्लाज्मा एक्सपेंडर, इट्स डेक्सट्रीन. The repeating unit in hyaluronic acid is glucuronic acid and N-acetyl glucosamine. The port fats of mammalian cell comprise mostly of triglycerol, a fatty acid which is not synthesized in human body and has to be supplied in the diet is linoleic acid, where rancidity of butter is prevented by the addition of tocopherols. A deficiency of which of the following vitamin is associated with the occurrence of neural tube defects? Folic acid. Which of the following vitamin provide the cofactor of pyruvatic dehydrogenases? Folic acid. To prevent rickets in case of chronic renal disorders, which of the following substances should be administered? ओके, ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा. कोलिकैल्सिफेरॉल. The visual impulse is also associated with the dissociation of rhodopsin into transretinal and ospin. Which one of the following element is present in thyroid hormone? Thyroxine. Iodine. Which one of the following is the component of vitamin B12? CO. Iron is absorbed from duodenum and jejunum. In case of Wilson disease, the features include all the following except urinary excretion of CO is decreased. Which of the following enzyme typically elevated in alcoholism? Serum gamma GT. All the following are sulfur containing amino acid found in protein except threonine. Histones are protein which are protein rich in lysine and arginine. Which of the following immunoglobulins can cross the placenta? IgG. In liver cells, bilirubin is conjugated with glucuronic acid. Degradation of Hb takes place in reticuloendothelial cells. Which of the value below is nearest to the concentration of hydrogen ions in blood? 0. बहुत सारे 4 m. Pantothenic acid is constituent of a coenzyme involved in which of the following reactions? Acetylation. Which of the following coenzyme is required for heme synthesis? Pyridoxal phosphate. Cystic fibrosis is due to defective Cl ion channel. Calcium ion channel. Okay. No, Cl ion channel. An infant suffering from respiratory distress syndrome may have in alveoli deficient amount of dipalmethyl lecithin. In multiple myeloma, the protein excreted in urine may be Bence-Jones protein. Phytostigmine is anticholinesterase is used to treat Myasthenia gravis. Which of the following compound is direct precursor of the heme nitrogen? Glycine. A 4-year-old infant developed severe jaundice and is found to have complete lack of UDP glucuronyl transferase. Which of the following disorder does infant have? Crigler-Najjar syndrome. Which one of the following participate in blood coagulation process? Phylloquinone. Select one of the following statement that is not correct. Bilirubin is cyclic tetrapyrrole. Which of the following vitamin provide the cofactor for transmission of amino acids? Vitamin B12. Which of the following vitamin provide the cofactor of transmission? ठीक है, transamination of amino acid, that is vitamin B6. Which lipid tend to prevent fatty liver? Lecithin. Hydroxylation of vitamin D occurs at two sites, liver and kidney. Chromium is essential because it potentiates insulin action. In human all of following amino acids are essential except tyrosine. क्योंकि ये प्रोटीन बाउंड होता है ना, तो इतना यूज़ नहीं हो रहा होता, ऐसे ही पड़ा हुआ होता है CF में. तो जब ये एक्टिव फॉर्म में होता ही नहीं है और हमारे पास काम भी नहीं आता, तो फिर ये इसकी इतनी इम्पोर्टेंस फिर भी नहीं है हमारे पास. A patient was tentatively diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease. Which one of the following best describes the disease? It is associated with the deposition of neurotoxic amyloid peptide aggregates. The Michaelis contents Km is numerically equal to the substrate concentration that gives half maximal velocity. Saliva causes the direction of mainly carbohydrates. Which of the following hormone is responsible for the secretion of gastric juice? Gastrin. The only glycolytic enzyme that cleaves a carbon-carbon bond is aldolase. All of the following compounds are intermediates of TCA cycle except pyruvate. Complete oxidation of glucose into CO2 H2O yields 38 ATPs. Enzymes of Krebs cycle are present in mitochondria. In the conversion of pyruvate to acetyl CoA, which of the following coenzyme is not involved in ADP? The major mechanism of disposal of ammonia in liver is through formation of urea. Which of the following enzymes are responsible for the synthesis of uric acid? Xanthine oxidase. In tRNA molecule, there is a loop which contains a minor base, dehydrouracil. The melting temperature of DNA is directly proportional to the GC content. In mammalian cells, ribosomal RNA is produced mainly in the nucleolus. Polysome do not contain DNA. Which of the following genes of E. coli lack operon codes of a constitutive protein? The I gene. Another name of reverse transcriptase is RNA-dependent DNA polymerase. UDP glucose is converted to UDP glucuronic acid by NAD+. The normal resting state of human, most of the blood glucose burnt as fuel is consumed by brain. A specific inhibitor for secondary dehydrogenase is malonate. Most metabolic pathways are either anabolic, synthetic or catabolic degradation. Which of the following pathways is considered as amphobilic in nature? Citric acid cycle. The primaquine sensitive type of hemolytic anemia is found to be related to produce RB cells activity of which enzyme? Glucose 6-p dehydrogenase deficiency. Which of the following enzyme is glycolytic pathway is inhibited by fluoride and enolase?